Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. So today we continue our lessons in Unit 2, and today's lesson is similar to the last one we did, 2.3 ready to go. We will continue talking about sports and foods that help us do sport. But today's lesson is about exercises that help us do sports. So these exercises are called warm-up exercises. We do them before we do any type of sport. Like, for example, if you want to do football, you have to do these exercises. So what are warm-up exercises? What part of the body should you warm up and how? For example, if you are going to play football, you have to exercise your legs, right? If you are going to play basketball, you have to exercise your hands and your legs. So these uh, are some answers and also your own answers. Warm up exercises prepare your body for longer periods of exercise by warming up the muscle beforehand. This usually takes 10 minutes to 20 minutes. You should warm up any parts of your body that you are going to use. If you will use your hand, you need to prepare your hand beforehand, okay? Like before you do this type of sport. You can warm up with stretches of short periods of gentle exercises, such as running on the spot, skipping, jumping, rotating parts of the body. So we have in activity 2 vocabulary, a list of new words: ankle, shoulder, thighs, calves, hip, bottom, toes, knees, and heart. So, for example, E, it refers to which body part? Look at the arrow. It's referring to our hands, and this type of our hand is called shoulder. F, heart, heart. You can do the rest while we move to activity 3. Listen to Sam giving instructions for warm-up exercises. Put the pictures in order. Which parts of the body are mentioned? So let us listen together.
Track 13. 1. First, we need to get your heart pumping ready for action with some high-powered jumping jacks. OK, so first stand with your feet together, then jump so your feet are apart. Bring your hands up above your head, keeping your arms straight. Do 20 without stopping, and finally relax. 2. You mustn't start running without warming up your leg muscles. First, run on the spot and warm up your legs and ankles. Second, place your feet wider apart and run to loosen up your hips too. Remember, you should warm up your hips too. At the same time, bend your arms and move them backwards and forwards. 3. Now you need to warm up your upper body. Stand still and put your left arm in the air, right arm by your side. Your arms should be straight. Rotate your left arm at the shoulder, forward and backwards. Do the same with your right arm. You need to do about 15 turns. Then rotate both arms together, forwards and backwards. You should rotate your shoulders quite slowly. You mustn't rotate them too fast or you'll hurt your muscles.
So, after listening to Sam giving instructions, what is the correct order to the exercises? So, the order is C, then A, then B. Parts of the body mentioned: heart, feet, hands, head, arms, leg, muscles, ankles, hips, shoulder. Parts of the body in brackets are not listed in activity 2. So they did not mention feet, hands, head, arms. So let's move to activity 4. Now stand up, listen again, and do the warm-up exercises. How do you feel afterwards? You can do this activity at your home, following the instructions of Sam. Activity 5. Use of English. Listen to the last warm-up exercise again. Complete the advice and instructions. So we have a list of words here, a list of sentences that we need to complete. For example, you need to warm up your upper body, or you need, you must, you can. So basically, we are going to need to use modal verbs to complete our sentences. You can listen back to the audio of Sam, or just copy the answers we have here. You need to warm up your upper body. B, your arms should be straight. You need to do about 15 turns. So D, you mustn't rotate them too fast or you will hurt your muscles. So how can you know which type of modal verbs to use if you don't listen to the audio? First, look at the form. Look at the form. Your arms be. So we know that there are two modal verbs we can use with be: should and must. Your arms must be straight, or your arms should be straight. We can do the same thing for do. Do only can be used with need. You need to do. You might do. So you can already tell which are the correct answers. Activity 6. Do you know any other warm-up exercises? So we said before to stretch your arms and try running in your position. Is there any other warm-up exercises like holding your leg or reaching down to your toes? Make notes of instructions you want to give. If there's any exercise you would like to recommend or give instructions about, then tell your partner what to do. Which part of the body do they exercise? And use the pictures below to help you. First, you should, and then you can start explaining or giving instructions about your exercises. So that's it for today's lesson. Very easy lesson, nothing difficult about it. I hope we covered all the points. If there is anything you still haven't understood, ask me in the class and I will help you. That's it for today. Thank you and see you later.